Hello everyone, my name is Brittany. I am a designer with Chalk Couture, and if you are watching this video, you're probably interested in the Chalk Couture business opportunities. So what I'm going to do here today on this video is just give you a quick little demo of our products. I'm going to talk a little bit about the history of the company, show you what you get in your starter kit, and then explain the different ways that you can make money and all of the details, things that you need to know in order to become a designer. So first things first, what is Chalk Couture? We are a line of reusable silkscreen stencils and surfaces and chalk paste. And when you combine all these things together, you can make quick, easy DIY home decor for yourself, for gifts, for a business, for pretty much anything that you want. So basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your silkscreen stencil and we are going to place it on our surface. And the cool thing about these transfers is that you can use them on any surface. You can use it on wood, metal, glass, fabric, chalkboards, pretty much anything. And then I'm going to take my paste and my squeegee, and all I'm going to do is squeegee on the paste. It goes through that silk screen, and you just want to make sure that it is a nice smooth layer. You want to be able to see the design underneath. Our transfers are reusable. They are washable, anywhere from 8 to 12 times. And then you just peel it off. Isn't that so cute? Put it in your little stand, and there you have it. That's it. That's Chalk Couture, guys. It's pretty simple, right? So, history of the company. Chalk Couture has been around since about July, officially launched in July of 2017. So we are about 3.5 years old. I've been with the company for about 3 years. So I've been able to see how incredibly fast and solid and steady that Chalk Couture has grown. And it's really exciting to see every time we have a new collection release, it just seems to get better and better. So the next thing I want to talk about is your starter kit. So I'm going to cut to a quick little video for you guys to show what our starter kit looks like. Now it does change every quarter, but the same basic idea, the same basic supplies are going to be in that kit. So you're going to get 6 transfers, 5 pastes, an apron, a couple surfaces, squeegee, and a catalog. So here's that video. What the starter kit looks like. The next thing I want to talk about is different ways that you can make money with Chalk Couture. Now, one of the biggest ways that I make money with Chalk Couture is by selling the actual product itself. So I have a wonderful group of customers. They are crafters. They love to DIY. They love to make things for their home. They love to make things for their friends, for gifts. I sell them the actual product. So I'm going to sell them the paste, the transfers, the surfaces. I sell these in bundles in order for them to be able to make the projects themselves. So that's one way you can make money with it. Another way to make money is by hosting workshops. Now these workshops can be in-person workshops or they can be virtual Zoom workshops where you have a project and then everybody comes either live or virtually and they create the project in the class. If you kind of think of it like wine and paint night, that sort of thing. That's exactly what it is. It's like a girls' night out. Everyone comes, they create their project, they have fun with their friends, they have some food and drinks, and then they get to leave with a finished project. That is, for me, pre-COVID, that was one of the biggest ways that I made money. We've kind of shifted a little bit, but it is still a wonderful way to earn money, and people get to have a wonderful experience where they get to create and have fun with their friends at the same time. Another way to make money is by creating finished projects. So you can create all sorts of finished products like these, and then you can sell them, and there is no limit to what you can sell them for. When you create a finished project, you get to choose the price. You can sell at craft shows, you can sell on Etsy, you can sell on Marketplace, you can sell pretty much anywhere that you want when you're creating finished projects. And then the last way to make money with Chalk Couture is by building a team. So if you decide that this is something you just want to really go for, we have an amazing compensation plan that really rewards you. It's one of the best in the industry. Really rewards you for sponsoring and building up team and leaders under you. So if you feel like leadership is something that you're really interested in, if you really want to share and spread the Chalk Couture opportunity with other people and share what it has done for you, then building a team is definitely something that you might want to take a look at. And like I said, the compensation plan is amazing, especially when you get up into leadership ranks. You can really make some serious money. So there's a lot of money to be made in the compensation plan, as well as selling the actual product themselves and doing workshops and selling finished product. So now that we've learned about the starter kit, we've learned about the different ways to make money. So what are all the nitty-gritty details? What do I need to know in order to be a Chalk Couture designer? So the first thing obviously is your starter kit. If you are in the United States, it is a $99 starter kit plus shipping. If you are in Canada, it fluctuates depending on the exchange rate, but right now, as of this video, it is $127 Canadian. And then you're going to get everything in that kit that you saw earlier. In addition to the starter kit, we do have a monthly subscription fee, and this subscription fee does not start until your first full month. Okay, so if you sign up in the middle of the month, you're not going to be charged that subscription fee until the next month. That subscription fee is $19.99, and it gets you all sorts of fun goodies. So the first thing that it's going to get you is our Club Couture transfer. This is an exclusive 8.5 by 11 size transfer that you are going to get sent to you in the mail every month. And this transfer is meant to promote our Club Couture subscriber program. So that's another way you can make money, is by having people sign up for our monthly subscription program, and you get a portion of the commission on that. So you get the transfer in order to promote that program. You're also going to get access to a website. So if you do not want to carry inventory, you do not have to carry inventory. You can just direct people to your website, which is provided by corporate, and you can have them purchase there. They have bundle kits available there. You can buy the transfers and the paste and the tools. You can buy all that stuff separately. Your customers can buy it, or you can put together cute little bundles and kits for them and then send it to them through the website. So that is another way that you can earn money, and that website is included in your monthly subscription fee. The last thing that $19.99 subscription fee includes is access to our brand new Couture Connect app. And this app is amazing. It is our training app, so you learn how to grow your Chalk Couture business. It is a sample app, so you can request sample kits to be sent to your customers. Your customers can purchase them themselves there as well. And there's all sorts of graphics and things that you can use to help build your designership, things for marketing, catalog, all sorts of fun stuff. So it's a pretty amazing app. So with that $19.99 app, you are getting a nice considerable value between the website, the Club Couture transfer, which retails for $15 on its own, and the app training. You're getting everything all together as one. There is a minimum volume requirement per quarter. There is no monthly minimum. So per quarter, starting in your first full quarter, so again, if you join in the middle of a quarter, it won't start until your first full one. We have a $100 PV, which is personal volume requirement. This has actually been lowered Since last year, it was 150. It is now down to 100. So what does that include in that PV requirement? So that includes things that you buy for yourself. So if I buy some transfers and pays just for myself for personal use, that counts towards that personal volume. So you can join Chalk Couture just for the really, really nice discount, which I'll talk about here in a second. Or you can use it to run a business. So either way, if you're purchasing product, it's going to count towards that $100 month, quarterly, not monthly, quarterly minimum. Right? It also includes if you have people purchase from your website. So if you have customers order from your website, a portion of that is also going to count towards that volume. Okay? That is the only minimum requirement. That's it. 100 per quarter. You have your $99 starter kit. You have your $19.99 monthly subscription fee, which includes all the awesome things I already talked about. That is the nitty-gritty details on how to become a Chalk Couture designer. So you might be asking yourself, why should I become a Chalk Couture designer? And I've got a few excellent reasons for you. The first reason for me personally is the team. Our team is an amazing team of women, a couple men, who have, honestly, some of them have become my lifelong friends. And they are a community for me that I work from home. I'm not out and about every day. I don't have adult interaction every day, but I have my Chalk family, and we really do call it our Chalk family. In addition to making friends and acquaintances in our team, you're also going to get amazing training. So anything from how to start up a Facebook group, how to do Facebook Live, how to do TikTok, how to do Instagram, YouTube, anything that you need in order to build your business, we have it for you in our team. And then the other obvious perk, the other obvious reason for becoming a Chalk Couture designer is the money. So as a designer, you get 40% off of everything. And that's 40% off whether you are going to use it for yourself or whether you're going to use it in your business and resell it. So if you're just a hobbyist and you want the 40%, totally awesome. You can sign up, get that 40% off discount. But if you're choosing to pursue Chalk Couture as a business opportunity, you're going to love the money that comes along with it. So whether or not you are wanting to do Chalk Couture as a side business to earn a little money for yourself or your family, or you're wanting to go straight to the top and make it a full-time income, we have something for you here on our Chalk Couture team. I really hope this information was useful to you. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I will put my contact information here on the video, or you can feel free to comment below. And I'm more than happy to have a discussion with you and decide if Chalk Couture is something that is a good fit for you. But we would love to have you on our team. Hope this was informational, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.